Hi everyone, Jason Quesada here at InteropNet Hot Stage in Bayshore, California, where I'm going to give you a sneak peek at what's going on with the InteropNet Hot Stage development, as well as talk to some key team members of the InteropNet where they're building a really cool live network, which you'll see in live at Interop New York in a couple of weeks. So joining me today, right now, is
Jeff Enters.
Jeff Enters. How are you today?
Good. How about you?
Good, thanks. Jeff, what's your title? And what is your title, and what is your company? What part of your company are you with?
My title is a technology consultant, and I'm with HP's Technology Services Organization.
So what is HP's role with the InteropNet?
HP is providing our Flex network solution for InteropNet. So we're doing our Flex network with both up at the Newark, New Jersey Colo, which that Colo provides services for the show, both from internet to actual cloud-type services. So we're providing our Flex Network cloud solution up there. And then down at the show, we're providing our Flex Network data center solution as part of the show topology there. So we are providing routing and switching up in the Colo, firewalling up in the Colo, and then at the show we're providing route switch, both edge and core, and then also some additional firewalling at the show.
Awesome. Jeff, sorry, did you mention flex capacitor in there?
I mentioned something close to that. Does a lot of the same functionalities. No, I'm kidding. I mentioned Flex Network Architecture. So HP has brought in our Flex Network Architecture because this is about the best example of deploying this. It's an open standards-based flexible network architecture, exactly as it states. And in this environment, the only constant is change. And so having a flexible, open standards-based network is, I believe, the reason that we've succeeded so far. When you're interoping with 15 to 20 other vendors in a very compressed time window, flexibility is key.
Jeff, why are you excited about participating at InteropNet?
I'm excited about participating in InteropNet. I started with InteropNet in 2005. This is my 7th show with InteropNet. This year we brought in our technology services organization. And so it's been great to see our technology service organization, which is the actual group that goes out and is delivering and installing and consulting with our customers in the live production environments. We brought those people in here, we couldn't have done this without them. They're dedicated. They're flexible, and their experience has set us apart, I believe, from the rest. And so it's been great for that team and for myself once again to be able to rub shoulders with the InteropNet community. It's really an honor to be part of this. There's a number of people here that are industry icons that are doing everything from co-authoring RFCs to heads of large enterprise networks. So again, it's really an honor for us overall to be here and for us to be able to bring in our technology services organization to deliver this. So
great. So a couple more questions for you, Jeff. What is the worst thing that has happened at InteropNet? During Hot Stage.
During Hot Stage, I would say one of the scariest things that we had happen was we were all sitting around doing our work, normal day, into a few things, and all of a sudden there was this strange smell coming from somewhere. We're not sure exactly where, but it was definitely the smell of electronics burning. There was no question about that, which in this environment where there are cables strung temporary and everything else in a very mobile environment, it's a little scary when you start smelling that. So we started sniffing it all out, and come to find out it was one of the engineers that had by accident spilled a Coke on his laptop, and just decided that it was done and put that smoldering laptop in his laptop bag and didn't tell anybody. So the dog's nose, if you will, sniffed it out and found out that it was his laptop in the bag, and he fessed up to it at that point. But a little scary moment for us there.
Yeah, I can imagine. A smoldering laptop, not good, not good. So final question for you, Jeff. What is the best thing that can happen during Hot Stage?
I think the best thing, a couple things, is the collaboration. The collaboration, both from a product standpoint, to be honest with you, and from a people standpoint. Again, getting an interface with a number of people from different companies and in the industry overall is a key thing. And then a successful project at the end, right? Achieving all of our goals. This network goes from boxes to full production in under 2 weeks, and that's about as challenging as it gets. And again, as I said, it's flexible, or it's dynamic, and it's difficult to secure. So achieving the goal of delivering that network with 100% success at the end is the best thing that can happen for us.
Great. Thanks, Jeff. Collaboration is key. So looking forward to seeing the final product at Interop New York in a couple of weeks. And thank you so much for taking time on your busy schedule to chat with me and give a little insight to the InteropNet to the rest of the Interop folks. Thank you so much.
Excellent. Thank you, Jason.
Cheers.